In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and securely use a Google AI Studio API key for Gemini. By the end, you'll have a working key, know how to protect it, and be ready to plug it into your favorite tools. First, open your browser and head to astudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. This takes you into Google AI Studio, which is where you can manage access to Gemini's APIs. If you see any welcome screens or prompts, just continue until you reach the main dashboard. Next, let's generate your API key. Look for the option that says Get API Key or a menu item labeled API Keys. Click that, and you'll be asked to select a Google Cloud project. If you already have one, pick it from the list. If not, create a new project right there. It only takes a moment and keeps your usage organized. Once the project is selected, click Create API Key. Google will instantly produce a key string for you. Copy it to your clipboard and keep this tab open in case you need to view it again. Now, it's crucial to secure the key. Treat it like a password. Paste it into a trusted password manager or store it in a secure file you control. Avoid dropping it into shared documents, screenshots, or public code repositories. If you plan to collaborate, share access through your cloud project rather than sending the key itself. For added protection, open the key's settings in Google Cloud and apply restrictions. You can limit usage by IP addresses, HTTP referrers, or specific services, which reduces risk if the key is ever exposed. If you suspect it's been leaked, regenerate it and update your apps immediately. With the key safe, you're ready to use it. Paste it into applications, developer tools, or automation platforms like N8, wherever you see a field labeled API key or a place to set authorization. Many tools also support environment variables, which is a clean way to keep secrets out of your code. Once configured, you can call Gemini API endpoints to generate text, analyze content, or power workflows. If you run into authentication errors, double-check that the key is correct, restrictions match your environment, and the project you selected is active. That's it. You opened Google AI Studio, created an API key, secured it properly, and used it to access Gemini. Keep your key private, rotate it if needed, and you'll have a reliable foundation for building with Google's AI.